an oxy-acetylene outfit. First of all, you have to turn on both tanks, and you need this little tool right here to turn on this smaller tank. This is acetylene. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it goes the opposite way. Yeah. Well, I guess it goes the right way. Okay, so you turn that one on. You don't have to turn it on very much. Now the oxygen, you turn this on all the way. Okay. And then these are the regulators, these two. One is the tank regulator and the other one is for the hose. And the tank regulator tells you how much gas is in the tank. So it's got approximately 90 or so pounds in the tank. That's what this one is. Then when you turn this knob right here, then this turns on the hose pressure. And you want to go to about maybe 15 or so. You can always turn it down. And this one, now the tank pressure is about 120 or 150 psi, and then you turn this to turn on the hose pressure. I go to about we'll try it at 10. Okay, now you have to have some way to light it. Also, you can use these glasses. These came with it. I don't really like those. But here's your sparker. And all it does is it has a flint right here. And you just squeeze this right here on this side to start it. So first of all, you start off with the acetylene, which is the red. Turn it on just a little bit. Now you don't want it to smoke. Okay, turn it so it doesn't smoke. Well, sometimes there's a little bit too much on the oxygen. So we'll have to start it again. Okay, you want it so the blue flame in the middle, you want it so it's about like that. Right? Now this is the bronze rod. Yeah, I welded about 3 or 4 of them together. Okay, now all I have to do is transfer this to the back side. And then connect the dots. Okay, now go ahead and chop that off. Okay, now I don't really need to have these cut off right here, but I did anyway because I didn't know exactly how it was going to work out. Time is valuable like mine. You're going to use a corded drill instead of a cordless, but either one will work. Well, that didn't work out so well. Now I'm going to take this off here, and then I'm going to mark it first, right here, and then somewhere I'm going to drill it, and then I'm going to weld a nut on there so that I can make a hold down for this. A little bit extra protection. So I got to take this thing off of here. Okay, so I'll lay this nut up here. Since this is going to be right in the corner, just mark around the nut. Okay, now all I got to do is find the center, drill a hole, and the hole is going to be 3/8. Oh, this is a piece of scrap metal. This was on here. I cut this off. And this is going to be a test of this vise to see how good it works. This piece of steel here, I want it to curve and yet be able to be bolted. So now I'm going to have to curve the end of this, and hopefully it'll work. I'm not sure if it's going to work even. I'm going to have to drill this hole out probably. It might be 5/8 or 5/16 already. I'm going to cut a small spacer. Half inch. There's some of the stones I picked up out here. So I had to bring my truck out here because I ran out of gas.